Welcome back to Income Insight. Today I'll share 5 powerful investment strategies and 5 life-changing investment books that will guide you step by step toward financial freedom in 2025. These books are written by the best modern and classic money experts. So let's talk about our topics. Most people work their entire life, but only a few learn the simple strategies that make money work for them. Today, I'll show you 5 investment strategies and 5 books that can change your financial future forever. 1. Build a strong money foundation book reference. I will teach you to be rich. Ramit Sethi. Before investing, you need a system for your money. Ramit Sethi teaches a simple automation plan. Step 1. Create 4 accounts. Everyday checking account, high-yield savings account, investment account, emergency fund. Step 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% equals essentials, 30% equals lifestyle, 20% equals investments and savings. Step 3. Automate. Set automatic transfers every month. Why? Because when money moves automatically, you save more without stress. Example, USA/UK, $2,000 monthly income, invest $200 to $300 automatically, savings $100, expenses $1,000. Consistency over perfection. 2. Index fund investing book reference. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, John C. Bogle. This book teaches one simple lesson. If you can't beat the market, just invest in the whole market. Heavy check mark. What is an index fund? A single investment that holds hundreds of companies like Apple, Google, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft. Heavy check mark. Best index funds. USA, S&P 500, VOO, SPY, VTI, Total Stock Market. UK, FTSE 100 Index, Vanguard, Life Strategy, Bangladesh. Access. International ETFs, via brokerage, mutual funds, and local market. Why index funds work? Low fees, diversified, stable, long-term growth, very beginner-friendly. Long-term return, historically 7 to 10% per year. Example, if you invest $100 monthly for 20 years at 10% return, total invested, $24,000, final amount, $75,000 plus. That's the power of compound interest. 3. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, book reference, The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel. People lose money because of emotions. Morgan Housel explains fear, greed, and panic, and how DCA solves all of that. Heavy check mark. What is DCA? Invest a fixed amount every month, no matter what the market is doing. Heavy check mark. Why it works? Removes emotion, reduces risk, makes investing automatic, helps you buy more when prices are low. Example, market up, you buy fewer shares, market down, you buy more shares over time. You get the best average price. Heavy check mark. Real life example, invest $50 every month after 5 years. You'll have invested $3,000, but your portfolio could grow to $4,000 to $5,500 depending on the market. DCA is perfect for beginners. 4. Investing in skills book reference. Money, Master the Game, Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins interviewed millionaires and billionaires. Every successful person said the same thing. Skills pay more than savings. Heavy checkmark. Skills that produce money: video editing, AI, automation, digital marketing, coding, freelancing, web design, copywriting, sales, YouTube, automation, trading skills. Why skills matter? Skills increase your income. Higher income means more money to invest. More investment means bigger wealth. Example, if you learn a skill that increases your income by $300 per month, invest that $300 monthly in 10 years. You'll have $60,000 plus from this skill alone. Your skill becomes an asset. 5. Long-term investing mindset book reference. The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham. Warren Buffett's teacher, Benjamin Graham, teaches the value investing mindset. This mindset helps you stay calm and smart during market drops. Long-term rules: don't panic, sell, wait for your investments to grow whole for 10 to 20 years. Let compounding do the work. Market truth: the stock market goes up and down daily, but over 10 to 20 years, it always grows. Example: if you invested $1,000 into the S&P 500 in 1980, today it would be worth over $100,000 plus. Not because of luck, because of time plus patience. Bonus: best investment platforms. United States USA platforms: Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood. United Kingdom UK platforms: Trading 212, Free Trade, Hargreaves Lansdown, Vanguard UK. So today you learned 5 investment strategies, 5 powerful books, how to invest safely, how to build wealth slow and steady. Books mentioned: I Will Teach You to Be Rich, The Little Book of Common Sense, Investing, The Psychology of Money, Master the Game, The Intelligent Investor. If you follow these ideas for the next 5 to 10 years, your financial life will completely transform. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Income Insight, your guide to investing, money, and financial success.